This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone keyboard not working after updating iOS 16. So if your iPhone keyboard is not working, just follow these simple solutions to fix this problem. The first solution is enable and disable all keyboard settings and restart your iPhone. To do that, go to your settings, tap on General, Keyboard, and disable all these options. And after 2 or 3 minutes, re-enable all of these options. And then restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the second solution is update your iOS version to the latest version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and if you see any update available, update your iOS version and check the issue. And the last solution is reset all settings. Go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.